Once upon a time, a magical morning, Alex woke up feeling extra bouncy. He jumped out of bed and zoomed to the mirror. Wow, he gasped. His pajamas had turned into a shiny superhero suit. Alex giggled and twirled around. I'm a real superhero now, he cheered. But wait, how did this happen? He scratched his head, puzzled. Suddenly,
Imagine being able to create animated videos on YouTube without any prior experience or spending a single dollar. Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the thing, it's totally possible. Today, I'm going to introduce you to an AI platform that takes care of everything. It writes the script, generates the voice, creates the cartoon-style animation, and even builds complete scenes for you. And your job? Simply give a command, review the video, and hit upload on YouTube. That's it. Your content is ready to go. All right. Before we dive in, there are a few things you should know. Since we're making animated cartoons, our main audience is going to be little kids, and we'll always aim to make our cartoons at least 8 minutes long, or even longer. YouTube's algorithm loves longer videos, and this is exactly how your channel can get monetized faster. In this video, I'll break down the process step by step. First, we'll generate the script. Then, based on that script, we'll create scene-by-scene animations with just one click. After that, we'll add the voiceover, and finally, do some basic editing to make the whole video ready for YouTube. Even though it sounds a bit complicated, bro, it's actually super easy. You just give the commands and the AI takes care of the rest. So make sure you follow along step by step. Don't skip anything. Alright, let's jump straight to the screen. Here, I'm going to use CapCut's new AI video maker. The new AI features are total game changers. It's like having a full animation studio for free. So just stick with me, and I'll show you how it's done. So, what's the first thing we need to do? Yep, open CapCut. Haven't installed it yet? No problem. Just use the link in the description to sign up. Once you're signed up, download it with a single click, and boom, the software is ready on your computer. Next, open CapCut. Up top, you'll see a shiny option called AI Video Maker. Click it, and a new window will pop up. You'll see a bunch of options, but we're going to hit Create New Project. When the project opens, CapCut will ask, do you already have a script, or do you want to create one? If you already have a script, just use that. If not, pick Create One with AI. Then type in your story topic along with a few key points. Set the video length, and if you want, add a writing style or any special instructions. That's it. Your full story script will be ready. I know, it might sound a bit tricky at first, but don't worry. I've got a shortcut for you. Check out the master prompt I've linked in the description. First, choose a title based on your story, just like I did with Alex Woke Up a Superhero. After that, copy each part of my prompt and place it accordingly. Well, this prompt will work with any title you choose. Just paste it in and hit enter. Boom! Your key points, writing style, and everything you need will be ready to go. Set the video duration. You can go up to 10 minutes if you want. I chose 3 minutes here, so the video doesn't get too long. Once your script is ready, give it a quick glance to make sure everything looks perfect. If it does, just hit use. Not happy with it? No problem. Hit create, and a fresh version will be ready in seconds. Hey, if you want, you can even tweak it line by line. Just click any line, and the rewrite options pop up. Improve, make longer, or make shorter. I'm happy with this version, so our script generation is all set. Now it's time for the next step, generating the voiceover. Head over to the right and click on Scenes. You'll see two options, Voiceover and Media. Under Voiceover, there's Avatar, but since this is a story, we won't be using an avatar. Next, click on Voices. From the list, select English, and then pick the voice you like. I went with the cute boy voice here. His voice is really fun and adorable. Since we're making a story for kids, a childlike voice felt like the best choice. There are lots of voice models to choose from, so feel free to try different ones. You can even add your own custom voice if you want. Once you've picked the voice, just hit Apply to all scenes. And that's it. The voice will now play scene by scene throughout the whole video. Voice generated done. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Next, click on the Media option. Here, you'll see 3 options. Generate AI media, upload your own media, and match stock media. Let's start with Generate AI Media. Here, you can choose the aspect ratio. Since we're making a YouTube video, select 16:9. Then, pick a style. For example, I went with the claymation style, but you can check out the others too. Now, click Apply to all scenes and hit Enter. Boom! The visuals will be generated scene by scene according to your script. The second option is Upload your own media. If you want to use your own content, you can upload it here. The AI will automatically match it with your script and voiceover. The third option is Match Stock Media. This lets you use CapCut's stock footage and images. So, our visuals are now generated based on the script. One thing you'll notice, the images maintain consistency throughout the story. You can click any scene to replace and preview the generated image. If you want to change a scene's image, use the description field. It has a 200-character limit for prompts. You can edit this or give a new prompt. Or, instead of editing text, click Generate to create a new image. If the new image matches your vision, click Apply Scene. This will replace the old image. Alright, our scenes are generated. Now, let's move on to the next step and click on Elements. Here's where you decide exactly what to add to your video. For example, I wanted sound effects and visual effects, so I turned them on. What does this do? The tool automatically adds sound effects where they're needed, smooth transitions, and makes your visuals more dynamic. Some sound effects might feel a little off in certain spots, but don't worry, you can always fix them later. Right below that, you'll see the caption template options. Add subtitles however you like. Now, let's move on to music. Here, you can add any background track you want. I searched for story and found this one. It fits the tone of the video perfectly. Once you select the track, it gets added automatically. From the three-dot menu, you can also adjust the volume, so the music doesn't overpower your voiceover. Once everything looks good, we're ready to refine the entire video step by step.
So, suddenly, his tummy rumbled louder than a lion's roar. Oh no, Alex cried.
So, our video is almost ready. Now it's time for the final touch, adding transitions, effects, and even some animations to bring the images to life. To do all this, click on Edit More. Your project will load in CapCut with everything, music, voiceover, captions, and clips already arranged on the timeline. First, delete any unnecessary or mismatched sound effects. Then, if you want new ones, go to the audio section, open sound effects, and pick the ones that fit your scenes. Just drag them onto the timeline in the right spots. Next, let's handle transitions. Choose the transitions that match your story. You can make them a little longer if you want smoother flow. Play it back, and instantly the video will feel more polished and professional. You can also add effects here. Test them out, and once everything looks good, you can even convert any still image into motion. To do that, select the scene, right-click, and choose Image to Video. Pick a model, click Generate, and the tool will automatically create a motion video. I couldn't show it here because I ran out of credits, but it works great. Alright, once all the editing is done, the very last step is to export your video.
Once upon a time, a magical morning, Alex woke up feeling extra bouncy. He jumped out of bed and zoomed to the mirror. Wow, he gasped. His pajamas had turned into a shiny superhero suit. Alex giggled and twirled around. I'm a real superhero now, he cheered. But wait, how did this happen? He scratched his head, puzzled. Suddenly, his tummy rumbled louder than a lion's roar. Oh no, Alex cried. I can't be a hungry hero. He dashed to the kitchen, leaving a trail of sparkles. In the kitchen, Alex reached for the cereal box. Oops, his new super strength sent it flying. Crash, crunch, cereal rained down like confetti. Uh-oh, he mumbled, looking at the mess. Just then, his little sister Lily toddled in. Her eyes grew wide as saucers. Alex, you look funny, she giggled. Alex's cheeks turned as red as his cape. I'm a superhero now, Lily, he announced proudly. Want to see my powers? Lily clapped her hands excitedly. Alex flexed his muscles and tried to fly, but instead of soaring, he stumbled and tumbled into a chair. Lily laughed so hard she hiccuped. Alex felt a bit silly. Being a superhero wasn't as easy as he thought. He looked at the messy kitchen and frowned. Maybe I should clean up first, he said. As Alex started sweeping, something magical happened. The broom began to glow. It danced and swirled, cleaning faster than ever. Alex and Lily watched in awe as the kitchen sparkled like new. Wow, Lily squealed. You have cleaning superpowers. Alex beamed with pride. He realized being super wasn't just about flying or strength. It was about helping others and doing good deeds.